Message mo ako.
7.
Ball game, ball game. First position of UST. Belgium is strong. Wow, Chanchenko! 2-0. 2-point lead on LU. Now, turnover on UST. 9 minutes, 20 seconds. Chanchenko. Coast to coast, short, rebound on Keljin. Keljin, stop. Looking for Mariano. Okay, 14 to shoot. Too strong. Ah, okay. Last touch on UST. MU 2, UST 0. Chanchenko. Go. Fake. La Cruz. Back to Chanchenko. 14 to shoot. 14. Go. Too strong. Rebound on the white shirts.
2 points lang.
8 minutes, 30 seconds. McRae, fake drive. 14 to shoot. Mariano. Bang! Bang, bang, bang on Mariano. 3-2. 1 point lead now, UST. Chanchenko. Drive, pass. Stop. Pull-out jumper. Air ball.
Hoy! Tulaksa!
Yes, 5-2. 3-point lead now on UST. Isabel to Chanchenko. Chanchenko. Steal again on number 2. Medina. Medina stop. Medina. Coast to coast. Medina. Nice defense and go. De La Cruz. Medina again. Stop up. Medina looking for Tuason. Tuason. 10 to shoot. 10. McRae. Stop. Pull out jumper. McRae. 7-2 now. 5-point lead on UST. Isabel. Pass outside. Short, rebound on let it fly, Keljin. Let it fly now. Carver Chanchenko, Tuason. 7 minutes. Tuason, open jump, long 3, bang! Bang, bang, bang on Tuason. Chanchenko, coast to coast, foul.
Number 20.
Foul on number 20 on Mariano. First on Mariano, second team foul on UST. Bonus throw on Chanchenko. 10-2. This is our quarter final match. Do or die game. NU against UST. And the winner of this game will advance to the semi-final game on Friday against UP. 3-10. 3-10. 7-point lead now against UST. Boston again, same spot. Too strong. Rebound and go. Go, it's 3-3. Go, go, side step, go. Pass to Esquivel. Esquivel. Yes, and Esquivel. 6 minutes. McRae to Keljin. Keljin De La Cruz. Keljin now. To Mariano. Yellow ball, 6 minutes, 10-5. 10-point lead on UST. Chanchenko. De La Cruz. Air ball. Nice pass to last stats on ELU. 5-10, 5-point lead on UST. Mariano to Tuason. Tuason now. carried by Cheptenko. 14 to shoot, 14. 5 minutes, 20 seconds. McRae. Wasson, bang! Bang, bang, bang on to Wasson! 13 to 5, 8-point lead now, UST, Cheptenko. Steal on Mariano. Kelvin now to Mariano. Mariano sitting a play. Pass to Kelvin. Then to shoot. Let it play Kelvin. Too strong. Rebound on Esquivel. To go. It's 3-2. 4-1. Go. Nice pass to De La Cruz. Unselfish pass coming from NU. 13 to 7. 6-point lead on UST. Mariano. Carlos De La Cruz. Kelvin. Foul. Foul on number 30 on De La Cruz. Second team foul on NU. First on De La Cruz. Wasson. To McRae. Open jump. 3-point shot. Bang! Bang, bang, bang on McRae. Short. Oh, go. Fake. Di pa na go. Yes on go. 9 to 16. Only 7-point lead on UST. 3 minutes. 50 seconds. McRae fake. Carter Bay 2. Steal by De La Cruz. De La Cruz to Esquivel. De La Cruz inside. De La Cruz. Left bottom short. Oh, Lazaro. 11 to 16. 5-point lead on UST. Let it fly. Oh, let it fly. Kelvin. 18. 11. Cheptenko. Drive. Pass to Lazaro. Back to Cheptenko. Fake. Foul. Foul on number 25 on UST. 13 foul on UST.
25 or 5? 5 lang.
5 foul on...
Number 5 lang, plus 5.
Foul on McRae. Shot kay Cheptenko. 12 to 18. 12 against 18. 3 minutes.
Ano ka? Roots ko?
Wasson to McRae. Kelvin. Let it fly, Kelvin. Oh! Kelvin! 20 to 12. 20 against 12.
Iwan isa!
Troubling violation. Turnover against NU. Time out on...
Tatawag ba na ER? Wala kasing kasama si David, hindi pa natin
McRae. Carlos Esquivel. This is our do or die game. Medina. Foul. Wow! Basket count and 1 on Medina. Usparat. Foul on De La Cruz.
second on nila.
Ron, ingat, ano ka na?
Second on De La Cruz. 13 foul against NU. 22 to 12. 10-point lead on UST. Nice shot on Medina. 23 to 12. 2 minutes. Remaining time. 2 minutes. Go. Drive. Coast to coast. Pass to Lazaro. Yes! On Miguel Lazaro. 23-14. 9-point lead UST. Mariano. To Medina. Oh, McRae! 25 to 14. 1 minute 46 seconds. Wow, Lazaro! 25-16. 9-point lead back to UST. To Wasson. to Mariano. Foul. Foul on Esquivel. Warning for penalty on NU. Warning for penalty. 1 minute 25 seconds. First on Esquivel. First. Personal foul. Esquivel. Medina. To Wickle Jim at the fly. Her ball. Oh! Mariano! Short! Medina! 14 to shoot, 14. Let it fly. Cancel foul. Foul on De La Cruz. Penalty. 1 minute 5 seconds. Only 9-point lead on UST. 25 against 16. This is our do or die match. Quarter-final game on UAAP Season 4 by Basketballista. And the winner of the game will advance to the semi-final game on Friday against UP. Yes! On De La Cruz! 26 to 18. Back to 8-point lead on UST. 40 seconds. Wasson. Guarded by Esquivel. 14 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. Short. Rebound by Lazaro. 20 seconds. Oh, Lazaro! 26 to 20. Wasson. 10 seconds. Foul. Spotted. Foul on number 9. Penalty. On go. First personal foul on go. 6 seconds. 6. 26 against 20. UST. 27-20. 5. And now Chaltenko, Andaya. Pass to Lee. Her ball. Rebound on Medina. Otoson. Keljem, let it fly. Oh, let it fly. Keljem, 29 to 20 now. 9-point lead on UST. Go. 14 to shoot, 14. Chaltenko. Lee, 10 seconds. Shoot. Wow! Basket count and one on Chaltenko. Foul on number 2 on Medina. First personal foul on Medina. First team foul on UST. 22 to 29. This is our do or die match. Quarter final game. Rebound on Medina. Wasson to Medina. Black Mandaya. Chaltenko, it's 4-2. Chaltenko, pass to Lee. Yes, only 24 to 29. Back to 5-point lead on UST. McRae. Pass to Toson. Nice move by Toson. Fake, McRae. Drive, stop. McRae goes to goals. McRae. 31-24, 7-point lead on UST. Go. Foul. Foul on number 5 on UST. McRae. Second team foul on UST. Second on McRae. Second team foul on UST. 8 minutes, 19 seconds, 8 minutes, 19 seconds, 31-24, 7-point lead on USD. 25-31, 6-point lead now on USD. Tuwason to McRae.
Kayo mapagod.
McRae, got it, go. 14 to shoot. Foul.
Follow.
Foul on go. Second personal foul on go. First team foul, and you. Let it fly, Kelvin. Wason, 10 to shoot, 10. Medina, 5. Wow! Basket count and one of McRae. Foul on number 21, Andaya. First personal foul on Andaya. Second team foul against Edu.
Late, huwag nang pumunta.
34-25, 9-point lead now on USD.
Babay! Babay!
Chantay to Andaya, go, expect. Ow, go! Back to 7-point lead on USD, 34-27, 7 minutes. Medina. Turnover now on USD, turnover. Chantenko. Go. In and out. Rebound McRae. To Medina. To Wason. To Mariano. To Strong. Rebound by Andaya. Chantenko. Steal by Mariano. McRae. Wason. Too strong. Rebound on Medina. Back to Tucson. Too strong. Andaya. To Lee. This is 2-on-1. Chantenko. 1-on-1 by Kelvin. 6 minutes. Steal again by Mariano. Mariano to let it fly. Kelvin. Side step. Nice defense. And go! Lee. Yes, only! McRae.
Sir, isang timeout kami ha.
Time out on NU.
Michael na si Babaw.
Let it fly, Kelvin. Air ball. Rebound by Mariano. Steal by Go. Yes, on Go. 31-34. Back to 3-point lead on USD. McRae. Five minutes. Oh, troubling violation, troubling violation.
Bakit ganon? Foul yun eh.
Time out on USC. Chantenko. Andaya to go. Lee. Short. Lee and rebound. 14 to shoot, 14. 10. Back in violation, turnover against NU. 34 against 31, 3-point lead on USD.
Okay, ready? Rock it jam! Harap lang lagi.
McRae. To Tuason. 14 to shoot, 14. Mariano. Bang, 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 bang on Mariano! 37-31, back to 6-point in the USD. Chantenko. Yes, only 33. 37. 4 minutes.
Lapit lang.
Kelvin, to Coson. Pass to Medina. 14 to shoot, 14.
Lapitan nyo lang, bawal may bola, lapit.
Mariano again, same spot. Pass to Coson. 5 to shoot. In and out. Rebound on.
Okay, wala, pre.
It's 2-1. Go. Chantenko, pass to go.
Agaw.
Yes, on Chantenko. 35 to 37. 3 minutes, 20 seconds.
Lapitan mo, pre. Lapitan.
Ay, ilan, di ilupong ito na pala. Sige na sila.
14 to shoot.
Lapit. Sige, lapit.
10. Foul! Basket count and 1 on Keljim. Foul on number 24. 34. 13 foul on NU.
Parang sa likod yung shuttle, no?
Shuttlecock.
Shuttleward.
Shuttleworth 34, 40 to 35. Back to 4-point lead on EST. 2 minutes, 50 seconds. Chantenko. Rebound by Keljim. Let it fly, Keljim. Bang! Let it fly, Keljim. 43 to 35, 8-point lead USD. Go. Too strong. Good rebound. Foul.
Baba na!
Foul on Shuttleworth. Warning for penalty on NU. Second personal foul on Shuttleworth. 2 minutes, 21 seconds. McRae. Short. Rebound on Andaya.
Lari, pre.
Chantenko. Shuttleworth. Oh! Turnover again by NU. 2 minutes. Back-to-back turnover on NU. 8-point lead by UST. 43 against 35. Tuwason.
Sila, malagi ka po yun.
McRae. Go. Lee. Go. Coast to coast. Yes or go. 37-43. Back to 6-point lead on USD. 1 minute 20 seconds. Tuwason. Pass to Mariano. Setting a play. 14 to shoot. Let it fly. Keljim. Coast to coast. Short. Rebound by Medina. Open jump. Yes on Medina. Turnover.
Takot na sila.
Yes, sir. 50 seconds. Sir. 40 seconds. 14 to shoot. 14. 10 to shoot. 5. Oh, McRae. 25 seconds. Foul. Foul on number 20, Mariano. Second on Mariano, 13 foul against UST. 20 seconds, 20. Warning for penalty and you.
Hey, 20 seconds!
20 seconds. Okay. Shuttleworth. 16 seconds, 16. 16 seconds. Tuason. 10 seconds. High. And
Mike. UST bola.
UST.
Sir, yung ano? Ha? Lima lang yung player, sir, di ba?
Anim kami. Wala naman kayo naabot 10. Dapat 10 kayo. Siyam lang kayo eh.
Siyam lang kayo. Hindi nga. May bihis ako kung gano'n. Hindi nga.
Wala na sir. Dapat nagbihis ka. Di yun. Fair tayo sir. Maayos tayo. Laro tayo. Wala tayong kuhan. Ayusin natin laro.
Please, Jeric! Ayan, bumating lang.
So kung nag-jersey ka, counted tayo. Hindi ka nag-jersey.
Kalma? O time out? Sige, pasok mo na dito. Dito ka lang pare. Warning naman. Technical na, sir. Kanina pa eh. Kanina pa eh, no?
37-47. Ball game tayo, ball game. Tuason. Cardiff Esquivel. To McRae. 14 to shoot, 14.
Huwag ka dyan, tumulong!
10. Ibang by McRae. Foul. Oh, jump ball. And you ball. Jump ball, and you ball.
Hindi ba kitado ng phone?
Esquivel. Pass de la Cruz. Too strong. Rebound on Kelvin. Calma na in the ball game. To Tuason. Looking for McRae. McRae to Calma. Drive. Foul. Foul on number 20 on Esquivel. First team foul on LU. Second personal foul, Esquivel, McRae, passed outside, Medina, block, against NU. De La Cruz, zigzag, De La Cruz, 6-4-2, 5-on-2, De La Cruz. Whoa! A shot coming from De La Cruz, 39 to 47.
Labas na yun!
USD ball, USD.
Defense na!
39 to 47, 8-point lead now on USD. McRae, Kelvin, 10 to shoot, 10. Calma. Too strong. Rebound on you. De La Cruz now. 8 minutes. Lazaro. 14 to shoot. Tuason. To Calma. Tuason. Guarded by De La Cruz. Tuason. Calma. Rebound by Calma. Calma again. And you ball. 7 minutes, 39 seconds. Still 39 to 47. 8-point lead on USD. De La Cruz, guarded by Calma. Biahe, Esquivel, to go, take, drive, to De La Cruz, 14 to shoot, go. Yes, and go! 47-41, 6-point lead now, USD. Tuason, to let it fly, Kelvin, let it fly. Short, go.
Ron, iwan ka dyan, Ron!
Pass to Biahe. Yes, on Biahe.
Wala! Ron!
Black by De La Cruz.
Hey, iwan ka!
Go.
Pre, ay, Mike!
14 to shoot, 14. Rebound on Esquivel. To Lazaro, 14 to shoot. Third ball. Rebound on McRae, 6 minutes. 20 seconds to roll. Turnover again by USD.
Bastas! Oh, Bastas!
47 to 43, 4-point lead now on UST. De La Cruz has to go, fake. Looking for BI. 6 minutes.
5 minutes, Sapa.
BI. McRae to Calma. Calma now. Drive. Calma. Out. Too strong. Tuwason. Looking for Calma. Guard BI. Paco Mariano. 14 to shoot. Mariano. Air ball. 10 to start to shoot. 5.
Shot block, sir!
Kill him. Foul on Esquivel. Second team foul on NU. Third personal foul against Esquivel. 47 to 45. 2-point lead now against UST.
Kalma.
48 against 45. 3-point lead on UST. Chantenko. To De La Cruz. Same spot. Favorite shot. Too strong. Rebound on McRae. McRae. Pass to Tuason. Tuason. Looking for Calma. Foul. Foul on Biyahe. First personal foul on Biyahe. 13 foul against NU. Tuason. To Calma. Mariano. Tuason. 14 to shoot. 14.
Tignan!
Mariano out. Chantenko. Coast to coast. Esquivel. Foul.
Dalawa!
Foul number 2.
Foul on Mariano.
Time, pre.
First team foul on UST. Third personal foul against Mariano.
Wala siya, pre, sila.
48 to 45. 4 minutes, 11 seconds. De La Cruz. Yes, on De La Cruz. 3 minutes, 50 seconds. McRae.
Pre doon mo! Pre doon!
14 to shoot, 14. Mariano. 10 to shoot.
Wala yan!
Foul.
Last call.
Anong foul?
Second team foul on UST. Who's foul?
Sab.
Sharp.
Anong foul? 30? Number 30 ano?
Who's foul? Foul number 20. Fourth.
Ronlen.
Ay, kanya. Yung second.
Second on BI. Tuason. Okay.
Sige, good.
Yes, and go!
Wala.
49 to 48 now. 1-point lead on NU. Calma. Tumagay. Calma. 40 to shoot. 14. Bang on KLJ. 21 to 49. Back to 3-point lead on UST. Short. Chantenko.
Oy, foul!
Foul.
Ay!
Foul.
Foul on number 20 on Mariano. 13 foul on UST. Mariano, fourth foul on Mariano, warning.
Apat na yung pre, oh!
$51 all, 2 minutes 20 seconds. This is our do or die game, quarter-final match against UST and NU. Okay. Chantengo. Yes, on goal. 53 to 51, 2 points lead now. On NU. Kalma. Good ball. 20% separation. Substitution net, Sabret. 24 clock. Reset. Kick ball, white ball, kick ball. 24 shot clock reset, 24 shot clock reset. Kalma. Tumilina. Foul. Foul on go. Warning for penalty NU. Third personal foul on go. Oh, no foul. 13 foul NU, 13 foul, 17 to shoot, 17. 17 to shoot, 17. Kalma. Fake. Drive. Short. Rebound go. Chantenko. He's wrong. Rebound Chantenko. Blocked by McCray. Pass to Mariano. Pump. Pull up jump. In and out. Go rebound.
Sige rin! Isa pa!
Oh, Chantenko. Pasok. Goals! 55 to 51. 4-point lead now. Against NU. 1 minute. Kalma.
Tayo lang, Mike, ha?
14 to shoot. Same ball. 14 to shoot. 14. 49 seconds.
Pre! Boss Mike!
Kalma.
Doon, oh! Sige rin!
Chantenko. 57-51.
Ayun na, harap na, oh!
Only coach here, coach. All players in
Go,
bench.
Mike!
Kelvin. Medina.
Ayun! Sige rin! Last one!
Diahe. 12 seconds.
Ayun na!
5 seconds. Yes, on Medina. 59 to 53 your score. 6-point lead on NU. Last quarter.
Lalim ba?
Laro tikita ng
Boson. To Mariano. In and out. 14 to set shot clock. 14 seconds set shot clock. Mariano. 10 to shoot. Kalma. Tutuson. Medina.
Baba!
Katulord. Lazaro. Oh, in and out. Rebound on Kelvin. Yes, on Mariano. 55-59. 4-point lead now on you. Short. Shuttle work to short again. Rebound on Kelvin. Last touch on LU. Last touch. 8 minutes 47 seconds. He's still on Chantengo. Yes, on Chantengo. 61 to 55. 6-point lead back to USD. Mariano. Carnivego. Still again by Chantengo. Short. Rebound on Medina. To Tuason. To Mariano. Back to Tuason. To Calma. Yun ang foul.
Paul.
Foul on Shuttleworth. First team foul on NU. Third personal foul on Shuttleworth. 14 to shoot. 8 minutes. 14 to shoot. Calma. 10 to shoot. Rebound and go. To Chantengo. Shuttleworth. Chantengo. 14 to shoot. 14.
Nice!
Uy, kataas mo kami mo. Tumalon na.
Lee. Yes, on Lee. 63 to 55, 8-point lead now. On NU, 7 minutes. 14 to shoot, Calma. Chantengo.
Shooting. Yan!
Lazaro.
Tira!
Yes, only timeout. USD. USD ball, USD.
Pre, challenge tayo, challenge!
Good. 14 to shoot, 14. Calma. Yes, on Calma. 57-65, back to 8-point lead on NU. Fourteen to shoot. Lee. Bang, 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 only. 68 to 57, back to 11-point lead on NU. 6 minutes. Foul. Oh! Basket card on Juan McRae. Foul on Chantengo, 59 to 68. 9-point lead now on NU. First personal foul on Chantengo. Second team foul, NU.
Excited si Kuya.
60 to 68. Go. Now, yes, will go. 70 to 60. 10-point lead, NU. Calma. Oh, Calma. Go again, go. To Chantengo. Lazaro. 14 to shoot. 5 minutes, 10 seconds. 14 to shoot.
Walang
14 to shoot. 14.
Relax, relax.
Steal by Medina, Tuason. To let it fly, Keljim. Yes, let it fly, Keljim. 64-70, back to 6-point lead. On NU. Lee. To Chantenko, 4 minutes, 50 seconds. Lazaro, open shot. Too strong. Tumiyo, Kalma. It's 2-1. Kalma, stop. Pull on jumper. Too strong. Iba on Keljim. Let it fly. Short. Go. To Lazaro. Lee. Yes, only. 74-64. Back to 8-point lead on NU. Kalma. Foul. Foul on Shuttleworth. 13 foul on NU. 4th personal foul on Shuttleworth. Warning. Tuason. Ibangan go. 4 minutes. 4 minutes. Oh, Lee. Foul. Nasa dito siya, foul on go. Warning for penalty NU. 3rd personal foul against go. Sub dito siya, sub rep, sub. Mariano out. Medina in. Okay. Pass to Tuason. 14 to shoot. Yes, on McRae. 74-66. Back to 8-point lead on NU. 3 minutes 20. 14 to shoot. Lazaro. 10 to shoot. Yes! Oh, Lazaro. 3 minutes. 76-66. Kalma.
Hawak lang. Tatlo kayo. Wag, lapit.
Chantenko, 14 to shoot. Lazaro. Yes, on Lazaro. Yes, on McRae. 78-68, 10-point lead. On NU.
Gamit.
Chantenko, 14 to shoot. 10 to shoot.
Atake na.
Time out on UST. A score 80-68. 12-point lead. 2 minutes. 2 minutes. Tawap, it's okay, tawap, it's okay. Yeah, you can see.
Pre, walang
It should
bibigyan
be.
ng 3 ha. Wala magbibigay ng 3.
Lapit.
Salma. Nice pass. Yes. 70-80, 1 minute 50 seconds. Lazaro. Medina. To McRae. Bang on McRae. 73-82. 9-point lead now. On NU. Go 84-73. Lazaro to go.
Mike, tawid lang, Mike.
14 to shoot, 14.
Sige, ubus na, ubus.
10 to shoot.
Ubus na, ubus na, ubus.
1 minute. 5.
Bang!
55 seconds. Nice to McQuaid. 75-84.
Bigay, bigay na.
45 seconds. 14 to shoot. 10. Fair ball. Lee. Oh, Lee. 30 seconds. Bang! McQuaid. 78-86. 20 seconds. 20. And we will advance to the semi-final game. NU